Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm doing another Valentine's inspired look for you, and this time we're going super affordable, super drugstore with this palette. This is the Wetnwild Color Icon palette. It's their 10 pan shadow palette. I told you guys in the beginning of Valentine's week that I would do a look using just this palette, so that's what we're doing today. And I love like the pinks. It just looks really, really pretty, and it looks very extra, but it's so easy to achieve, so easy to do. And I feel like this is one of the more wearable glam looks you can do. I hope you really like it. I'm super excited to share it with you. If you're new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. And I'll also link 14 Days of Valentine's, the playlist, up in an iCard, so you can go check it out if you've missed any of my other videos. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for another video. I hope you like it, and let's get started. Okay, as you can tell, I thought the microphone was on, but it's not. We're gonna use this Wet n Wild palette. I love the pink scheme. I think it's really pretty. And I'm gonna get into this pinky peach shade, and I'm gonna put it with a big fluffy brush all over the crease, all over close to the brow, and we're gonna blend it. And then I'm going into this almost like orangey shade, like a light orangey shade, and put it into the crease. It's gonna make a difference, trust me. Then we're going back into the peachy shade, and I'm gonna barely dip into this cranberry shade, and we're gonna put that into the crease and blend it out with that big fluffy brush. Once again, I just wanted it to be a little bit darker, but I didn't want to get too crazy with it, so be light with this. Then I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna do a cut crease. It's gonna be really pretty. So I'm going in with this White Beach Cosmetic Concealer. Then I'm going into this pink shade. This is gonna go into the inner 3/4 of the lid, and then at the end, I'm gonna go in with this. This is almost like a deeper peach with some gold flecks in it, just really pretty. And I'm gonna put that at the outer part of the lid. And I am spraying my brush, and this turned out so cute. I absolutely love it. I kind of left the innermost part of the lid bare because I'm going to go in with this gold shade. I'm not putting it in the tear duct. I'm putting it like in the innermost part of the lid. You'll see right here. And I'm getting into this very deep brown that has like a red tint to it, and I'm going to put that really close to the lashes, and I'm just going to blend out the outer part of that. Oh my gosh, this whole time I've had my microphone turned off. I am so sorry. I've been talking and talking. I mean, you guys heard, I probably did a voiceover. I apologize. I'm here now. Wow, today's like one of those days. Okay, I'm gonna get into the AOA Faux Mink lashes, the 3D ones in the style Harper, and I'm gonna put my lashes on really quick. Today I want to do the Dior Backstage foundation because it's been a while since I've put this foundation on, and I miss this baby. I need Dior today. There's just some days where you just need Dior. For primer, I'm going to use the AOA Clean Slate Primer. I've been really enjoying this primer a lot, so I'm going to put this on. Except for my forehead, because my forehead's so dry that I need, like around this little guy here, I need some like oil, because that little guy is not, he's not looking nice. So I'm using the hydrating primer serum just on this little guy. Concealer, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Incognito Concealer. I've been loving this concealer. Do you guys still want me to do like a review video on this, or like what? I just really love it. I think it's super good. I love blending it out with a dry sponge. This one's from e.l.f. It has so much coverage. I can't even tell you, like, it's so good. I stayed away from setting like my bronzer area because I'm going to go into this Laura Geller This is their eye, lip, cheek palette. This is their multitasking palette in shades of nude. I'm gonna go into this shade right here to contour with. It's like a pinky bronzer, but I actually really like it. Like, I didn't think I would like it, but the color it gives me with my olive skin, I'm digging it. And then I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I have shade 2, which is medium. I'm gonna use this to bronze up and blend out a little bit what I did. These two together look really good. For blush, I'm gonna get into this Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face palette that I got on my BoxyCharm, and I'm actually gonna use the blush and the highlight from this palette. I've been really enjoying it. I think it's really good, and the color is pretty. The highlight though, man, I would totally buy just a full pan of this highlight because it's so beautiful, and the formula, it's unreal how smooth the formula is and how it just looks so beautiful. It's just a very good formula. So I'm gonna get into a brush and put that on. Like, it just instantly blends. It's just so pretty. It's just so glowy. Oh my gosh. So for the lower lashes, I'm just going to get into this first shade that I used and smoke that out in the lower lashes and then put on mascara and we're good to go. For my lips, I'm gonna use my current favorite nude combo of the moment that I think is so pretty. This is the Ace Beaute lip liner in Be Peachy. I'm gonna lightly line my lips. Lightly. Oh, I love it. And then, are you ready for this color right now? This is the AOA lipstick. So beautiful. The AOA lipstick, so it means it's $1. Shot Missy, go see yesterday's video. This color, oh, in Shore, my perfect nude. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, this color though. I'm gonna have to get extras of those. And boom, this whole look is done. So this is how it looks, kind of pieced together. So cute. I can't even tell you, I love this look. It's so pretty. I think I might just do this for Valentine's. I know I said that for like a different look, but I honestly, this is so easy. I can just do this. Like, this is just very pretty. And men like pinky feminine looks. I've noticed with my husband, he always compliments me, and it's usually whenever I'm wearing like a pinky blush or pink on the eyes, like something that's very like feminine and pretty, especially with like the curly hair. It's just really gorgeous. So I hope you guys liked this video. I'm sorry that there was like a mishap in the beginning of the video. I hope you really like it. Don't forget to subscribe and to keep up with 14 Days of Valentine's, because at the very end of the series, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with my best friend who is also an influencer on Instagram. It's gonna be a really fun giveaway, so make sure that you're keeping up with what's going on. Go follow me on Instagram, go follow me on the talk, and yeah, I love you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.